Welcome back, dear viewers. Today, we have an inspiring topic to explore together: the role of positive affirmations. I'm excited to delve into the power of these simple yet impactful statements that can transform our lives for the better. Understanding positive affirmations. Before we dive into the role of positive affirmations, let's take a moment to understand what they are. Positive affirmations are short, uplifting statements that we repeat to ourselves, consciously or unconsciously, to shape our thoughts, beliefs, and actions in a more positive direction. They are like seeds that we plant in our minds, cultivating a mindset of empowerment and positivity. Here are some examples of positive affirmations. I am capable of achieving my goals. I embrace change and grow from it. I am worthy of love and respect, and I have the strength to overcome any challenges. The science behind positive affirmations. You might be wondering, do positive affirmations really work? Well, science says yes. When we repeat positive affirmations regularly, they activate the reward centers in our brain and release neurotransmitters like dopamine and endorphins. These feel-good chemicals boost our confidence, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. Studies have shown that practicing positive affirmations can lead to improved self-esteem, increased resilience, and a more optimistic outlook on life. Using positive affirmations effectively. Now that we know how positive affirmations can benefit us, let's explore how to use them effectively. Firstly, it's crucial to make your affirmations personal and in the present tense. Use I statements to create a direct connection with yourself. Instead of saying, I will be confident, say, I am confident. Affirmation cards. Secondly, repetition is key. Write your affirmations down, say them aloud, or use affirmation cards to keep them visible throughout the day. The more you repeat them, the more they'll become ingrained in your subconscious mind. Overcoming negativity with positive affirmations. Life is filled with challenges, and sometimes, negative thoughts can creep in. Positive affirmations can be a powerful tool to counter those negative beliefs. Negative thoughts turning positive. For example, when you catch yourself thinking, I can't do this, replace it with, I am capable of finding a solution. By doing this, you redirect your focus to a more positive perspective. Real-life success stories. Positive affirmations have had a profound impact on the lives of many individuals. Let's take a look at some real-life success stories. Before using positive affirmations, I struggled with low self-esteem. But once I started repeating, I am worthy of love and respect, I noticed a significant change in how I carried myself and how others treated me. I was facing a tough time at work, and the stress was overwhelming. Positive affirmations like, I am capable of handling challenges, helped me stay focused and motivated to overcome obstacles. Positive affirmations can be a game changer in our lives. By embracing the power of positivity and self-belief, we can unlock our true potential and lead a more fulfilling life. Remember, it's not about wishful thinking. It's about cultivating a positive mindset that empowers us to take action and achieve our goals. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, and share your favorite positive affirmations in the comments below. Keep spreading positivity, and until next time, take care and be kind to yourself. Bye.